Hey, so if you want your team to stay aligned on schedules, meetings, and deadlines, sharing a Google Calendar is actually one of the easiest ways to do it. In this guide, I'll show you how to share Google Calendar with teams step by step. All right, first, open Google Calendar on your browser and go to the Settings menu. Now choose the specific calendar you want to share from the left-hand side under My Calendars. Click on Share with specific people or groups to start adding your team members. Enter the email addresses of your team members or Google groups, then add them one by one. Now choose permission levels like See Only Free Busy, See All Event Details, or make changes to events depending on your team's needs. Click Send, and your team members will get access to the shared calendar instantly. Make sure the calendar is visible in your team's calendar list so they can actually see updates. Ask a team member to confirm they can see events and make sure everything is syncing properly. You can always go back and change permissions or remove access if needed. And yeah, that's it. Once set up, your Google Calendar will keep your whole team organized and updated in real time.